How to activate Lloyds Bank debit card. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can activate Lloyds Bank debit card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to activate your Lloyds Bank debit card, you can go to lloydsbank.com. If you have digital online banking or mobile banking, you can click the login option first of all, and just first of all log into your online or digital banking account. Once you log in, you'll be successfully signed in after clicking the continue option. Then most likely you will also find the option to go ahead and then basically go to the card section and activate your debit card. That is the first way to do it. The second way you can do this is by simply clicking the contact us section here, and then you can simply directly contact the customer care if you want to basically activate your debit card. The most easiest way is to simply use your debit card at a near ATM store, because your debit card means the ATM number which you can use to take out money and withdraw money from ATM locations. So when you first time put in your debit card at the nearest store of Lloyds Bank, then after you've done that, your debit or your ATM card will get automatically activated without having to do anything. So this way you can activate Lloyds Bank debit card. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.